In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Privacy and Security. Now begin by tapping on Location Services, and to manage permissions, click on this switcher at the top if it's not already on. Then click on one of your apps or one of your features to manage location access. Let's go with Calendar. Click on one of those options, Never, Ask Next Time or When I Share, or while using the app. And when you see blue check mark next to the chosen one, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, Calendar gained access to my location while I'm using it. When you finished with all of those, go back, scroll, and now you can pick one of those apps or one of those features. After tapping on a chosen one, you can manage those switchers here to decide if you want to allow or deny access to chosen app or chosen feature. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!